Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5!
Merry Christmas!
Ooh la la! Gorgeous car! Good morning, my lovelies! I'm so excited for day 5 because today we are going to Suffolk with Viktor and Rolf. Really know how to put together a beautiful, perfect, dreamy trip. So I'm really excited, and we're on our way to pick Bea very soon, who's coming with me. This car is amazing. Oh my god, they know how to do it well. Well, I slept only like 5 hours and I slept really badly. My eyes get so dry, I think, from doing this so much, especially during this season. So looking at so many screens all day, and then my eyes just get so dry, and then I couldn't sleep because my eyes were so dry at night. So I had to get up, put on sun drops, and then I just couldn't go back to bed. I have 2 suitcases, which is insane because it's just one night, but I'll show you everything that I packed. Literally just got this delivery this morning from Revolve. This top is so cute. I love the tassels. It's so cozy. I love the print. Video from last night is up, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. She's here. Hola. I had told him you were gonna be wearing pink. It's cool, right? I told him you were gonna be wearing pink, but she's not wearing completely pink today. Are you excited? Our yearly Christmas trip.
Yes.
No, it's a tradition. It's the best.
Tree.
They're the best,
Yes.
for sure. So excited. We're gonna go and get something at Pret, grab something to eat, and then we're gonna go to Suffolk. Oh, excited! I just ate a acai with granola with almond butter thing. So hungry. We were about to arrive. I had my camera ready, and then we realized
We're in the middle of...
yeah, of nowhere. The driver was given the wrong postcode, so now we're an hour and a half away, and a bit. But I hope we just get there in time, at least to eat a little bit of lunch. They'll wait for us. They will wait for us. But yeah, are you hungry?
Yes.
Now
Right
you're
now,
hungry, yeah.
Yes, I need to eat something.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat you.
No. Yeah. Oh, we have arrived. Wow, this is incredible. Oh, so dreamy. Look at the house. Wow. Amazing. Hola. And this is our room. It's so cozy, festive. This is all 2 vloggers need for one night, right? And we got some presents here. This one is for Beatrice.
This is all we need. Only for one night.
So I am wearing full Revolve. These boots are quite shiny. I love the texture of them. They're super cool, and they're so comfortable. Oh my god, they give you the height, but they're so soft, so light and comfortable. I'm obsessed with them. These are also from Revolve, and I'm just loving this top. It's like makes me want to like dance Charleston. And the bathtub is sick. Look at that bathtub. It's so big. Wow, really pretty. Love the mirror. So got the shower there, and that's our view. That's the forest. Oh, should we open? Okay, yes. Before we go for lunch, let's open our presents. Okay, fine. Let's open our presents. What is it? Oh, oh my god! Got a beautiful Christmas card. And what do we have here? Wow! Oh. So much Viktor and Rolf goodness. So we got the flower bomb scented candle, like a mini candle version. We got the... Oh, this soap is so cute because it's the same shape as the logo. It's just so cute. We got the perfume. We got the body oil, the shower oil, and the mini version for travel. Oh, it feels like Christmas already. And we just got very fancy because, you know, Viktor and Rolf is a proper brand. And this is Fashion Artist celebrating 25 years of Viktor and Rolf. And we got this super cute t-shirt. So adorable. Oh, I would love this with a pair of black jeans and even my leather jacket. That would look sick. Now it's time for lunch and look at the feast we are gonna have. Oh, spoiled. Everything looks insane. The cheese looks insane. All the meats, all the bread, the olives. Oh, is that turkey as well? Yeah. Wow. Oh, yum. I'm so hungry. Yummy. Obviously need to have some cheese. Oh my god. What are you having, Bear? Cheese. Ham. Pickles. Yeah. Oh, I want some pickles. Where are they? I love pickles. Oh, yummy. I love pickles. I'm obsessed. They're always so yummy. They make everything so good. Got all the presents. The Christmas edition this year is a stunning one. So we get to pick our own present to have engraved for someone we love. And one for us as well. So I think I'm gonna bring this one with and get it engraved for Ariana. You can get complimentary hand engraving, all these shops.
This one's
So got my perfume engraved for Ariana. She's gonna love it. She better loves it. And now we're gonna do an unpacking and show you guys what we brought. I just wanna know, and you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Holiday unboxing
For one night.
holiday festive one night unboxing
Big luggage.
for one night. Is that what you're wearing tonight?
Yes!
Oh my god.
This.
Oh wow. Where are they from?
Pura Lopez.
Pura Lopez. Oh my god, look at the dress I'm wearing tonight. Look at the dress I'm wearing tonight.
Oh.
It's the
Give me 1 second.
It's the
Give me
same.
1 second.
Oh my god, that is so
Are
you fucking Are you serious? We didn't plan this. I promise we
This is
didn't
for
plan.
Christmas.
We need a picture together.
Yes.
Oh my god,
This
babe.
too much.
No. No, it's Christmas. Oh my god, we need a
my
picture. This is
God.
crazy. These are the shoes I'm wearing tonight, which
Wow.
are super glittery as well.
Wow, it's clear.
They're so pretty.
Wow.
So pretty. Then I brought this super cute.
Oh my
because it's so
God.
pink. Maybe for the morning, for breakfast. Look.
Oh, so cozy.
How cute is this? Right?
Oh
It's so cozy. Only the thing is so cute.
Oh.
It's so cute. Look, like this.
Oh.
Sleepyhead. It's so adorable. I love it. Victoria's Secret. That is so sweet.
With
With the
upset.
little shorts. Okay. The little shorts are really cute, but it could be cold.
Yes. I have
Oh, the
same
pants. Yeah.
with pants.
Oh, well, I have pink as well. And these are from Wild Fox. These are like
Wow.
mushrooms with roses.
See.
It's so soft.
Yeah.
Wild Fox has the softest
Wow.
things, honestly.
I love it.
Is it now?
Give me your hands.
Oh my god, is it an animal? Is it a dead animal?
No.
I'm like so
Okay,
scared.
open.
Victoria's Secret. I like Victoria's Secret. Okay. Oh no! Oh my god! This is so cute! Thank you! Oh, that's so sweet! Oh my god, I love it! It's literally Christmas. Okay. With my eyes closed. Do I go like that?
Yeah.
Oh! first impressions. We're about to open what Viktor and Rolf gave to us, like for Christmas. Let's see. I love this perfume. Wow. And I love this presentation because it is great for traveling, you know?
Yeah, it is.
And you just press it and I always take it everywhere.
Your bag, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the little hand cream, you know?
Oh no.
This is the little, have you not seen it? Okay, so you know, do you see I always carry hand cream?
Yes.
Because I'm obsessed, because my hands get dry so easily. And this smells so good and it's so hydrating. Because there's so many hand creams that are not really hydrating. It's my favorite, honestly. I'm obsessed. And it smells just like the perfume Flower Bomb. And it's so good. It's amazing. Oh, so cute. We got these. What is it? Oh my god, Oisho, I love this brand.
From Spain.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, this is so soft. Oh my god, I love it. Nah. Yeah, it's doubting her outfit, but I think it's amazing.
Yeah,
I love it. I love it. I think it works. Come on, it's Christmas, it's festive. And I'm wearing the same sparkly dress I wore yesterday. Yes, what makes something really worth buying. And I just love this dress. I think it's great for the festive season. It's very elegant. And I'm wearing these sparkly shoes also because I didn't get a proper picture of this dress yesterday. And I just want a picture of the full dress because I just love it. It's so elegant, so pretty, very flattering as well. Has space for all the food I'm gonna eat. Perfect. So yeah, we're ready for dinner. Oh my god, this table is looking insane. Look at the chandelier with all the tools. Wow. Well, I am of course the head of the table. This is so adorable. Aww. Let's see what we're having for dinner. Yummy. British beef, squash. Oh, I bet that is amazing. Roast turkey. Oh gosh, it was so good. Ate everything. I've already drunk a few glasses of wine and I need to go, I think, straight after dessert and upload Vlogmas today because I had a little problem and it was delayed, so that means it will go, instead of 7 p.m. UK time, it will go at 8 p.m. UK time. I'm so sorry guys, but today should be on time. Cheers! Oh my god, this is hilarious. So we have this giant bowl of dessert of custard and vanilla custard, caramel and cinnamon biscuit, and we had our bowls here. We were not eating it because we saw no one was eating them, so I was waiting and then they came and took it away. I was like, why? Turns out no one ate it. So this bowl, this giant bowl, is just for me. Take two. And now having mince pie, homemade delicious mince pie. Just gonna have a piece. Very Christmassy. Will you have mince pie? Time for movie night. The hot chocolate bar. We got all the candy, Flower Bomb theme. So cute, the Christmas theme. Even the straws are super adorable. Look, the little Flower Bomb bonbons with chocolate. We got our new reindeer. We're ready to watch a movie. I don't know what we're watching actually.
One night. What about Santa's cookies? I suppose parents eat them too?
Yeah, I know. And every year, less and less people.
What did she say? I don't know what she said. Chocolate? You want with chocolate? Thanks.
Yeah, here, you want to play yours? Yeah,
She's making everyone uncomfortable, feeling uncomfortable. What I was saying is that the hot chocolate is amazing. That's all. That's all I was saying. No more wine. No más vino. It's time to go to bed. It is like midnight. After we watched the movie, I have been editing the Vlogmas video for tomorrow. I have been editing pictures for the thumbnail and for Instagram. I did a few emails as well, and now I'm ready to go to bed. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up quite early so that we can do pictures, right? We're doing pictures tomorrow in the morning, and we have a beautiful breakfast with Viktor and Rolf, which I'm sure is going to be amazing as everything they do. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas today, and please leave me in the comments below if there's anything else you would like to watch. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to always stay positive and spread the light.